Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Monday, August 18, 2025. We'll be covering market moves in technology, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Key tech indexes showed mixed movement today. The Nasdaq 100 and the Nasdaq Composite each edged higher, with very strong positive trends. The technology sector gained 7 points while communications and healthcare both declined. Market breadth shows the Nasdaq Composite with advancing stocks outpacing decliners 1,737 to 1,360. The technology sector saw nearly twice as many advancers as decliners, while healthcare remained relatively balanced. Looking at returns, communications leads year-to-date with a 16.6% gain, followed by technology at 15.6%. Healthcare is the only sector showing a year-to-date decline, down 1.4%. Among top tech performers, Dayforce surged 25.9% with strong upward volatility. First Solar jumped 9.6% on its second consecutive up-day. The trade desk gained 5.4% despite its very strong negative trend. Year-to-date, First Solar leads these gainers with a 24.4% return. Paycom Software is up 9.9%, while Dayforce and the trade desk show negative returns for the year. Among declining tech stocks, Intel fell 3.6% despite maintaining a strong positive trend. Palantir Technologies dropped 1.7%, marking its fourth consecutive down day. Fidelity National Information Services lost 1.5%. Despite today's decline, Palantir Technologies maintains impressive year-to-date gains of 130%. Intel shows an 18% return for the year, while ON Semiconductor and GoDaddy are both down around 20%. Technology ETFs showed mixed performance today. Cubes and ProShares Ultra QQQ both declined for the third consecutive session, breaking downward after a period of consolidation. Meanwhile, VanEck Semiconductor and Vanguard Information Technology posted modest gains, with all funds maintaining very strong positive trends. Looking at year-to-date returns, VanEck Semiconductor leads the group with a 22.6% gain. ProShares Ultra Short QQQ has declined 44.5% over the same period, reflecting the strong upward momentum in tech stocks. Month to date, all bullish tech ETFs are showing positive returns, ranging from 1.7% to 5.6%.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Amazon stands out with 5 consecutive up days, closing at 231.49. Meta Platforms saw the largest move, dropping 2.2% to 767.37. Apple and Alphabet both show flat price movement with strong positive trends. Year-to-date returns show mixed performance. Microsoft leads with a 22.7% gain, while Meta Platforms has returned 31%. Apple is down 7.8% for the year, despite showing an 11.2% gain month to date. In semiconductor stocks, Nano Labs surged 25.6% to 5.10. Amtech Systems gained nearly 16% to 5.88, marking its fourth consecutive up day. SmartChem jumped 15.4% despite showing downward volatility. Year-to-date performance shows significant volatility in the sector. SmartChem is down 75%, while Air Test Systems has gained 16.6%. Amtech Systems shows positive momentum with a 24.8% gain this month. In cloud computing, the trade desk led gains, up 5.4% to 54.95. EPAM Systems rose 4.3% to 164.60, while ServiceNow gained 2.8% to 892.5, marking its second consecutive positive day. Monthly returns show significant pressure on cloud stocks. The trade desk has declined 36.8%, while ServiceNow is down 5.4%. EPAM Systems shows relative strength with a 4.4% gain this month. In AI and robotics, iRobot gained 5.3% to 3.57. Nasdaq rose 3.2% to 5.6, breaking out after a week of flat trading. Ambarella added 2.9% amid consolidating price action. Year-to-date performance shows challenges in robotics. iRobot has declined 54%, while Nasdaq shows strength with a 13.5% gain. Mobileye Global is down 28% despite today's upward breakout. Leading thematic ETFs in AI and robotics showed positive movement today. Pacer US Cash Cows, Growth ETF, and Robotics and Automation ETF both gained around 0.45%, displaying very strong positive trends. Both funds have shown relatively flat price movement recently. Year-to-date returns show Spear Alpha ETF leading with a 26.4% gain. AI and Technology ETF and Nasdaq AI and Robotics ETF have also performed well, with returns of 17.2% and 12.7% respectively. Electric vehicle stocks showed modest gains today. Tesla and Rivian both rose 1.3%, while NIO advanced 1.2%. XPeng gained 1%, showing a strong positive trend despite recent flat trading. Year-to-date performance shows XPeng leading with an impressive 68% gain. BYD has risen nearly 28%, while Tesla has declined 17%. Month-to-date, XPeng continues to outperform, up 9.3%. Quantum computing stocks showed mixed performance. Archer Materials surged 11% after breaking out from sideways movement. Quantum computing gained 3.7%, while Applied Materials rose 1% amid strong downward volatility. Month-to-date returns show Archer Materials leading with a 13.8% gain, followed by quantum computing at 7.1%. Applied Materials has declined 9.2% over the same period, showing significant weakness. Solar stocks surged today, led by Shoals Technologies jumping 16.3%. Nextracker hit an all-time high, rising 11.7%. Sunrun and Array Technologies gained 11.3% and 10.4% respectively. Month-to-date performance shows remarkable strength, with Sunrun up 51% and Array Technologies gaining 29.5%. First Solar and Nextracker have also performed well, rising 25.5% and 16.2% respectively. Leading tech thematic ETFs showed strength today, with WisdomTree Cloud Computing Fund leading gains, up 1.7% to 34.29. Despite today's positive moves, both cloud computing funds display very strong negative trends. SPDR SandP Software and Services ETF stands out with a mixed positive trend, closing at 186.19. Looking at returns, SPDR FactSet Innovative Technology ETF shows the best year-to-date performance, up 5.1%. Most funds are showing positive weekly returns, with WisdomTree Cloud Computing leading at 1.7%, while month-to-date returns remain challenged across the group.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host, Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.